Okay, so here's the second half of the bell work. I think is probably a little bit more challenging than some of the other ones were. So for number 7, whenever we work with a equation or inequality or something that we know we need to solve, you always want to identify your variable first. So what is the thing you didn't know? And hopefully you guys answered that you don't know the number of weeks. So X is number of weeks. Second thing you identify is your total. Your total is this 3,000. That's what you want to get to. So 3,000 is over here. The words preceding 3,000 is at least. So again, that's the smallest amount that it can be. So that's why it's greater than or equal to 3,000. The next question I would have asked you is, where is your beginning amount? Where are you starting? And you're starting at 500. That's what she has. Then the question is she going up or down? Is she saving more or less than that? And it says she's saving $250 per week. So she's got the 500 and then she's adding the 250 in, and so together, so that's adding. So 500 plus the 250x. Now, why is it 250x? What's the word in there that tells you that it has to be multiplication? And hopefully you identified per meaning multiplication. So subtract your 500, divide by your 250. X has to be greater than or equal to 10 weeks. For her to get to $3,000, she would have to do this for more than 10 weeks. Number 8. You guys have come to hopefully do better on these. Again, hopefully you identify this as an and inequality, which means that you have to decide or solve for all 3 parts. So you're going to subtract 10 from all 3 parts. Negative 11 is less than or equal to m is less than negative 5. Close the circle at negative 11, open circle at negative 5, and then you shade between them because that's where all the possible values are of m are. If you're not sure, take a number and plug it in. So let's take negative 8. Is negative 11 less than negative 8? Yes. Is negative 8 less than negative 5? Yes. So you've got it. Okay, now came the challenge question. I hope you guys got there. Challenge of the day. 4 students are about to purchase concert tickets for $18.50 each. They purchase a block of 5 tickets, they'd only pay $80. How much would each of the 4 save if they get a first person to join and the 5 people equally divide the price of the 5-ticket block? So first you have to decide, do you want to go with totals or do you want to go with individual ticket prices? You can go either direction, so I tried to show you both of those. So if you go totals, if you do $18.50 times 4, your total would be $74. Compare that with the total for 5 tickets, which is $80. What's the difference between 74 and 80? You would have a difference of 6. So you would take the 6 and divide it by the 4 people and see how much they saved. Or if you divide by tickets, $80 divided by 5, they'd be paying $16 a ticket. If they only pay $16 a ticket and they would have originally paid $8.50 a ticket, they'd save $2.50. So anyways, I know that was a challenge. I hope you guys did well on that. And we're going to transition next into answering questions about the homework from yesterday. So please go ahead and take out your assignment and we'll go over that.